Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so today is a different kind of video where I am showing you how I pretty much resolved my overflow of shoes and boots. I am one that have a ton of shoes and boots and I can never have two seasons out at the same time. I also have to unfortunately share a closet with my husband, so it leaves me very limited space. So as a result, I purchased this wall cabinet off of Amazon. I will definitely link it down below as a way to just be able to store some additional boots for this fall and winter season. Now, I know some of you are probably wondering, well, you have a husband, why don't you have him build this for you? But truth of the matter, well, for this particular instance, he was actually out of town. But even if he wasn't, I am normally the one that goes through building this kind of stuff. He is the chef of the house. He likes to be in the kitchen, so that is where I allow him to be while I stay out of the kitchen. And I am the one that I just like to work with my hands. So I decided to go ahead and build this rather than wait for him and ask him and then it not be done correctly, because I am a perfectionist and that is just not his gift. I do feel like this kind of stuff is pretty easy to build. I mean, as long as you have proper instructions and proper tools that you need to build, and to me it's a piece of cake. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. I am following the instructions step by step, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get through with building this. Now, where I'm located is like pretty much an empty hallway. The two doors you see, the door on the right is my son's bedroom and the door in the middle is actually my glam/recording room. So this open hallway has absolutely nothing in it. And so I was actually going to do some like home decor, but because I need storage, this will be included in this hallway as well. Is there anybody watching this that is like me and kind of really enjoy building stuff? I don't know what that's about. I don't even know where that came from in my life, but I've always enjoyed building stuff. And so, just kind of it's therapeutic. Anybody else like that? If so, sound off in the comments down below. Let me know I'm not alone here. So I'm just moseying on with this building of this cabinet, making sure I'm following the instructions to a T. This is why I like to lay everything out so I can kind of easily find it and find it based on the labels that they put on the pieces. And that's basically all you're doing when you're building this kind of stuff. You're just basically reading the instructions and piecing the parts together as instructed. So I've gotten a little further along. This is one of those projects or things that you have to have your patience hat on for. If you don't have a lot of patience, yeah, probably shouldn't even try something like this. Now, my son kind of was walking by and was like, yeah, let me go in and help my mom out. So he jumped in, give me a hand. I'm bad at asking for help. I normally just do it myself. That's my attitude. Just get it done yourself. But, I guess he had a little sympathy on me and decided to help his mama, so I appreciate him for that. It actually was a huge help because we were able to get this put together much faster than if I had continued to do it by myself. And I probably had taken a break by this point. I know I've taken a food break before now. So all in all, it probably took about a total of maybe 2 hours, to be honest, maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours. Not super long, but long enough, right? So I'm not going to bore you with all of the remaining parts of putting this together, but this is pretty much the final look, and it's in its proper location where I want it, just in the corner of this hallway, and I'm quite pleased. Now I feel a lot better and I'm able to throw some boots up in here to organize, y'all. And I'm so grateful for my son, my 14-year-old baby boy. Thank you, son. Appreciate you, man. And this is how I ended up putting my boots in here. I feel so much better, y'all. I am a huge fan of organization. So I don't like clutter all over the place, and this brings my mind at ease for sure. So that's really all I got. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.